Hi, this is Supriya. This video is another part of my earlier video. Now I show you a product advertisement on Plastimart. Like we put a sheet. So we go to a HDP sheets. HDP sheets, we mention a product listing like this. We maintain your product details along with your contact detail on a site. So if someone want to contact you, he can directly call you in this number. Your mail id is mentioned over here, so if someone want to mail you, he can directly mail you also. And if he hit the send inquiry button, so this inquiry directly go to this email boxes. So this product listing we mention on a Plastimart site in a different categories, like you have a 3 or 4 product PE sheets, PP sheets, ABS, PBS. So we mention you have to you to these several categories along with your contact details. Plus we designed your web page like this. So that's web page. This is a summarized web page of your overall detail, like about us, product, contact us. So same process of contact us. If someone want to contact you, he will directly call you, or someone want to message mail you, so he can directly hit the inquiry button and these email directly go to the email boxes. So these products and a web page we host on plastimart.com site for a 1 year. This web page, you have a double benefit in this package. This you can this web page we have mentioned in different categories also in a supplier list, and plus this we mentioned in plastimart.com homepage plastic companies section over there. So we mentioned this to plastic companies section. Cost of this package is 5,000 plus GST. Thank you. Hi, this is Supriya. Today I show you some basic packages of materials and product advertisement. For example, say reprocess HDP. We search reprocess HDP on plastimart.com. We search that category. So this type of result we can show. So we go to reprocess HDP. So our basic package, we list your product on our site in the different categories. This is one of a category. So we list your product along with the product details, picture of your product like this, and with your contact detail. So buyer come to our site, he can directly call you, or he can mail you, or he just hit the send inquiry button and this inquiry directly goes to this email ID. So this listing listed with us for a 1 year. In a left hand side, we listed your product listing. Right hand side, a supplier list over there. So this supplier list you can connect with your product listing, or we can design one homepage for you. So like we connect this to one of a posting, one of a product listing. So this package we include one banner ad also. So this is a banner ad which comes to a particular category. If you want to another category, we can give you this banner for another category also. This banner you can connect to directly to your website. This package cost of rupees 7,500 plus GST. This package we are including your product listing for 1 year, your web page with us for a 1 year, and one banner for a 3 months on a particular category section. Thank you.